Yo, what's up everybody? We're back. Hurt Feelings Garage doing some work, putting the exhaust on the Cobra. We got the factory exhaust that was on it off. And so let me show you where we're at. You know, this is that Borla exhaust. Nice chrome tips. And this is the exhaust that was on it. Guess it's a Ford racing exhaust. You know, got it on a jack stands. There's a little view of the underneath. Independent rear, you know, got the subframes. And it's a Bassani X pipe, not a Borla. So this is what's going on. You know, we don't all have a luxury of a lift, so we do it on the jack stands. So there you have it. This is part 2 of the exhaust change. Stay tuned to hear it. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope you like what you're seeing, and I'll keep you tuned. Till next time, keep hitting that button. Peace.